Friends, I am glad that I have this opportunity to say a few words to you. It is a pleasure for me to take part in functions arranged for the welfare of the working classes. It may be due to the fact that I have been connected with the working classes in a number of ways in the past many years. The welfare of any state depends to a very great extent on the welfare of the working classes. It is only through the hard labor of the workers that the other people are able to enjoy their life. There is no doubt about it. Though I am addressing a meeting of workers, I feel that it is my duty to say a few words to the employers in various fields who actually employ the services of the workers in some way or other. On this occasion, I request all of them to treat the workers well wherever they may be working. They may be working in factories, workshops, offices, or any other. It is the duty of the employers to care for the welfare of their workers. If the employers took a real interest in the welfare of their workers and helped them to lead a decent life, I am sure that they will certainly come forward to work harder in their respective jobs. In this connection, I think it is my duty to give a few words of advice to you with confidence. I know that you are doing your best to discharge your duties and give full satisfaction to the employers. You should attend your workshop or factory regularly without absenting yourself from duty. You should also promptly do the work allotted to you. There are instances where some undesirable elements have spoiled even good workers. It is for you to avoid the company of such people. Both the management and the labor can solve all their problems satisfactorily by discussion and agreement. It is for them to avoid strikes and lockouts. They should never do anything which will result in low production or reduction in wages. If there is good understanding between labor and management, I am sure any organization can hope to earn profits, and the workers can also be paid more wages, bonus, etc. With these few words, I thank the organizers for giving me a chance to address you. I wish you all a success. letter from Das and Company, Madurai, to Messrs. Keshavan Enterprises, Salem. Dear Sirs, we thank you for your letter of the 14th instant. We are sorry that the goods that we have sent you on the 3rd instant are not the ones you have ordered. We have gone through your order and find that all the goods that we have sent are the same that you have approved and ordered. However, we accept your statement. If you can send back the goods received by you, we shall be pleased to send fresh goods. We shall be obliged if you could let us know once again the correct details of the goods that you want now. On receipt of your letter, we shall arrange to dispatch them. We thank you for your past orders. We hope and trust that our business transactions will continue in future also. We assure you of our best and prompt attention at all times. Yours faithfully.